Carter, what are you eating? What are you eating? Strawberries? Are you eating strawberries? Yeah. You've got a lot to say tonight, don't you? You've got a lot to say. Yeah, those are delicious strawberries, aren't they? Aren't those delicious? Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. It's been a long day, I know. Yeah, I know. Can you say, Mama? Yes. Can you say, banana? Banana. Well, it's hard to say banana when you have strawberries in your mouth. Oh, you missed. Carter, can you say banana? Yeah, that's it. Can you say dada? Yeah, almost. Say dada. Well, you're not supposed to talk with your mouth full. Dada would be proud.
Mama.
Yes, mama. And this is mama. Where's dada? I don't know. I don't see him.
Mama.
Yeah. Can you say dada? No. Can you say banana? It's hard to talk when you have food in your mouth. Where'd all the strawberries go? Are they in your tummy? Are they in your tummy? Oh, fussy. Do you want your water? Do you want your water? Well, here it is on the floor where you threw it. Here, have a sip. You can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Here. You're 1 year old and he still won't drink out of his sippy cup. Carter, you should be ashamed of yourself. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Okay.